If you have ASOOKE, illusion net and some crystal beads, you can absolutely recreate this design. If you'd like to know how to recreate something similar to what you have right here on the screen, please make sure to watch this video all the way through. Before we get straight into today's video, I would like to give credit where credit is due. The first thing you'll need to take note of is that this outfit that you have right here on the screen was made by one of my favorite fashion designers, Vicky James, of course. She's the designer of this outfit. Nowadays, I get a lot of emails from people saying, "Oh, Funmi, you posted this dress on YouTube. I'd like you to make it for me." Please take note that I am not a fashion designer. I don't make clothes for people. When it comes to dressmaking, I make clothes for only myself. I only enjoy coming on here to share tips and tricks on how to recreate embellishment designs and also talk about beautiful outfits that I see online while scrolling. Just to clear that out of the way. This particular dress that we have right here again was made by Vicky James, like I mentioned earlier, and it looks absolutely fabulous. For us to break down how this outfit was created, in my own opinion, from my own point of view, after looking at it, I have my phone right here. I'm just going to be looking at my phone and also describing some of the things that I see on this outfit. For the sake of those watching me, I'm going to put a video of what I'm looking at right here on the screen so you can also see what I'm seeing. This dress was posted just yesterday by Vicky on her page. I'll leave her handle right here on the screen. Please go ahead to go follow her. That's my own way of just supporting her business, recommending her page to my viewers to just get her more engagement on her posts. All right, straight into the design. What we have here is a traditional outfit. It's a Yoruba traditional outfit. I believe this person that is wearing this outfit is a bride. She was getting married and Vicky James happened to be the designer of her outfit. This dress is fabulous. First of all, we should say that it looks absolutely phenomenal, and I'm not surprised at all, because one thing about Vicky is she's going to slay. She's going to do justice where justice is due when it comes to any type of fabric, when it comes to any type of design, when it comes to any body type. Vicky is going to slay. So straight to the top portion of the outfit, we see that from the shoulder up until the bust area, we have illusion nets going on the dress. For those that are new to fashion design, I don't know much. If you don't know what illusion net is, I'm going to leave a very valuable video on the screen for you. Go check out that video. I talked about illusion nets and I also showed you what illusion net looks like in that video. Talked about the texture, how to make the right decision when purchasing it. Go check out that video. So we have illusion net going on that bust area. Next thing we have going on the bust area is metallic ASOOKE. For those that go way back on my channel, I have come on here multiple times to share what metallic ASOOKE looks like. ASOOKE, for my international viewers, is a type of fabric. It's a woven fabric that is very popular in Nigeria. I am a Nigerian living in Canada, and ASOOKE is very popular, particularly in my tribe. I'm from the Yoruba tribe in Nigeria, right? Yoruba is a tribe of people from Nigeria. So this particular fabric is typically used when we are celebrating special occasions. You don't just wear ASOOKE, even though nowadays some people wear ASOOKE for just anything, but the origin of Yoruba ASOOKE is used specifically for special occasions: the birth of a child, marriage, sometimes burial, occasionally for parties, maybe birthdays and all of that. We just use it when you're marking a very significant event. So in this case, it's a bride, she's getting married, and we have the ASOOKE fabric right here. One thing about this outfit that I noticed is that Vicky did justice with ASOOKE, and that's another tip for us. There's no fabric that you cannot make into something phenomenal. It just comes with the power of your creativity. We see that ASOOKE, metallic ASOOKE, was cut into leaf-like shapes and placed in a very aesthetically pleasing way along the bust area of the outfit. I'm going to zoom in and just put that portion on here on the screen. So you need ASOOKE, of course, if you're trying to recreate this type of outfit. We have the champagne gold type of metallic ASOOKE, and we also have the chocolate brown type of ASOOKE. So we see a mix of champagne gold and chocolate type of metallic ASOOKE, and we also have some beading details done on the bust area. So those leaf patterns that were placed on the bust area, we have sequins going on there. We also have some crystal beads, and I'm not sure, I think I see broken glass bead on there as well, and this just looks absolutely phenomenal. From the under bust area up until some part of the waist area, we also have some beading going on there. The bead of choice in this case is broken glass bead, and we see how it was tightly packed together and sewn in something that looks like a V shape along the under bust to the waist area of this outfit. And we see how the beading blends into each other. The chocolate brown beading blended into the champagne gold type of broken glass bead, and that's what we have here. This particular beading pattern, there's already a tutorial on it on the channel. Feel free to go check it out. I'm going to link it somewhere on the show notes. Go and watch it so you learn how to recreate this type of beading on whatever outfit you're trying to design. Moving on from the waist area down to like the hip area of this outfit, we still have ASOOKE going on there, and we also have this same leaf pattern that I talked about earlier on, just that this time the leaf pattern going on from the waist area to the hip area is larger. So they used, I believe, soldering iron or heating scissors to cut this particular pattern and placed it on the fabric. I don't know if glue was used in this outfit. Again, I'm not the designer, but what you can use to plaster your cutout fabric on your design is either glue, a very good fabric glue, or you tack it onto the fabric. Even though right here I don't think they tacked it on, I think they just used a very good fabric glue to plaster the cutout pieces of fabric onto the design. So we have the V shape with the leaf pattern going on the waist area, and at the edge of the cutout ASOOKE leaf pattern that we placed on this outfit, I believe some embroidery work was done on there, almost like they used a serger to just seal up the edge of the fabric to prevent it from just, you know, ripping apart, because again, ASOOKE is a woven fabric. If you just cut it out and place it on fabric, it will start to just rip apart or start to unravel along the edges. So I believe to take out that issue, they went ahead to use a serger to just embroider the edge of the fabric. I'm going to zoom in and also show you guys what I'm looking at, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. For the sleeve as well, we have a cone shaped sleeve going on here. We also see how the ASOOKE fabric was also still placed along different strategic points of the sleeve, and it just looks phenomenal, guys. We also have broken glass bead used to create straight beading, straight leaf beading done on different parts of this particular sleeve. For the bottom part of this sleeve that we are looking at, I believe that mesh-like fabric that was used as the base for the beading done on the sleeve, that fabric looks like corset mesh to me. So they incorporated corset mesh, they incorporated ASOOKE, some embroidery, some beading, and that's what we have here. When it comes to the makeup on this particular outfit as well, the makeup is sitting pretty. Let me see who did the makeup. It looks like ARIUKE MUA's, of course, it's ARIUKE. ARIUKE is a fabulous makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria as well. She's the one that did the makeup on this particular bride. The jewelry looks pretty, the earrings, everything just looks pretty. The makeup is sitting pretty, her accessories are just fabulous, her nails as well looks absolutely fabulous. This is something that I like to see. I like when brides look absolutely incredible for their events, and this person definitely looks very happy. I mean, if I was dressed in this kind of outfit, I would also be very, very excited. Vicky did justice to the outfit, and in the video talking about styling that I posted last year on the channel, I talked about how to come up with fabulous looks for your events, and this person definitely did justice. For a lot of brides in Nigeria, I don't know about other countries, nowadays I see that something that is very popular is they get stylists for their events. So the job of the stylist is just to determine the dress that they'll wear, the makeup look, the shoe, the accessories basically that they're going to be wearing in order to look absolutely fabulous. One of my favorite bridal stylists is the wardrobe manager. She always comes up with beautiful designs for her customers. Another person that does fantastic work from Instagram that I know of is also the melange styling. She also comes up with fantastic looks for her clients. So this particular bride was styled by the wardrobe manager, and her dress was made by Vicky James. The makeup was done by ARIUKE MUA. The hair install was by Adefunke. The gele that she has on her head, gele again for my international audience, is a head tie that is very popular in my home country Nigeria. It's something that people tie on their head for special occasions or for just random occasions. Gele basically is a hair tie, and the person that tied this particular gele is called Taiwo's Touch. This ASOOKE fabric that was worn by this particular bride was made by Woven Market Africa. This brand has also become very popular on social media. A lot of times when I see a lot of nice, fantastic looks, bridal looks in particular, I see that the person that made the ASOOKE is Woven Market Africa. For each of the people that I mentioned in today's video, I'm going to leave their handles on the screen. Feel free to go check them out on social media. This video is just a quick run through of how I believe this particular outfit was made. Again, if you have ASOOKE, metallic ASOOKE in particular, illusion net, corset mesh, some broken glass beads, and a serger probably, and soldering iron, you are able to recreate something similar to this. Because I've said that once you have all of these things, you will be able to recreate this outfit. It does not mean you should just run with this statement and go to start looking for customers and promise them that you are going to recreate exactly what you have right here on the screen. Take note that you require skill. And that skill does not come overnight. It comes with years of experience. It comes with making mistakes, trying new things, learning from those mistakes, and improving your skill. Vicky James did not start creating designs yesterday. She has been in this business for a very long time. So she has built expertise, and I believe a lot of people that assist her in her business, her workers, are also very experienced people when it comes to this world of fashion design. For my upcoming fashion designers, do not be in a hurry to start taking on projects that will choke you at the end of the day. Don't now start promising people that you can recreate Vicky James brand when you've not done the groundwork that Vicky James has done to build a skill to the level that you see it at in 2025. Don't be afraid to start from the ground and work your way upwards. If you are going to try out something like this for a customer, I would recommend that you first of all try it out for yourself. Attempt recreating something like this for yourself. See the mistakes that you make. Try it again, perfect your skill before you now start offering this as a service to customers. Make sure that you're very confident that you can recreate something like this before offering the service to people. A lot of times when I see videos of, oh, my customer told me to recreate this Vicky James dress and this is what I made. Chances are when you see that the recreation done by somebody else, when it comes to copying designs from people like Vicky James, those people that recreate something fabulous are people that are very experienced when it comes to fashion designing. Again, this tip that I'm sharing here is to avoid chaos when it comes to you and the potential customers that you're going to get in your business. Don't be in a hurry to become somebody that you've not attained their level of expertise just yet. Build your own skill. Don't jump to the chapter 10 of somebody's life when you are barely even in your own chapter 1. Build experience, make mistakes, and learn from those mistakes and scale up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, hello, my name is Funmibi Olawore. I am a fashion enthusiast based in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I come on here weekly to share videos relating to fashion, self-improvement, beading and embellishment, and other interesting things that I have going on in my life. If any of these things sound very interesting to you, please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know every single time I post a new video. I'm on my way to 100,000 subscribers, and I would like you to be one of my first 100,000 subscribers on this channel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't hesitate to give me a big fat thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts, comments, suggestions down in the comment section. And yeah, friends, I can't wait to see you all in another amazing video very, very soon. Bye.